picture this. You take a photo, click one button, and suddenly it looks like a professional cartoon painting. No Abubi Illustrator software. If you want to do it on Illustrator, it will take a long time. I'm about to show you exactly how this works, and trust me, you'll want to try this yourself. Open Gemini or ChatGPT website, upload your photo, and write this command to him. Convert this image into a caricature style. Upload your results, and to remove background, we will go to the site remove.bg and upload your image. In seconds, it will remove your background. Finally, we will go to Illustrator and upload your image. Image trace, and trace. Expand. Here is your picture drawn. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.